Ryan Truex finished in 12th place in the NASCAR Xfinity Series race on February 19th, 2022. Ryan Newman revealed that he would continue to do racing in 2022, just not in NASCAR. During his NASCAR Cup Series career, Ryan Newman has raced for Team Penske from 2000 to 2008, Stewart-Haas Racing from 2009 to 2013, Richard Childress Racing from 2014 to 2018, and Roush Fenway Racing from 2019 to 2021 before the team became RFK Racing. It has been previously announced that Mason Massey will race for DGM Racing's number 91 car for the majority of the 2022 NASCAR Xfinity Series season. He unfortunately failed to qualify for the NASCAR Xfinity Series race on February 19th, 2022. Ryan Blaney finished 4th place in the 2022 Daytona 500. Ryan Blaney has done good the super speedway races in the past, winning twice at Talladega and winning the summer Daytona race in 2021. The next NASCAR Cup Series race is the 2022 Wise Power 300 at Auto Club Speedway, a track that NASCAR has not been at since 2020. Tony Stewart has won 2 races at Auto Club Speedway in the past. Jeff Burton finished in 19th place in the NASCAR Xfinity Series race on February 19th, 2022. Jeb is the son of Ward Burton. His father, Ward, is the winner of the 2002 Daytona 500. His uncle, Jeff Burton, has won 21 NASCAR Cup Series races. Jeb's cousin and Jeff Burton's son, Harrison Burton, races for Wood Brothers Racing full-time in the NASCAR Cup Series. In the 2022 Daytona 500, Harrison Burton was involved in a wreck where he went upside down. Harrison Burton was unharmed in that wreck. Christopher Bell finished in 34th place in the 2022 Daytona 500 after crashing out. Christopher definitely is not that strong at super speedways. However, he's known for being a good dirt car driver. Jimmie Johnson will drive for Chip Ganassi full-time in the 2022 NTT IndyCar Series season. Jimmie was racing part-time for Chip Ganassi in 2021.